Okay, so in the shower, they want a floating bench seat. So this shower is about it's like 46 inches wide. So I don't like to just put the stone in the tile and let the stone support the whole weight. In this case, I'm using a 1/2 inch material. It's man-made material. Looks like a white marble. But anyway, I'm going to be building a support so that the weight is going to be carried by the support and not by the stone. So let me show you how I do that. So they want this stone at the finished height at 20 inches off the floor. Normal height for a seat is between 17 and 20 inches. They want it on the high side, so the finished height is going to be 20 inches from the finished height of the seat to the finished height of the floor. So my bench seat is going to be 18 inches wide from there to here. No, that's 18 inches wide, and the support, which is going to be a 2-inch foam that goes all the way across, is going to be set 3 inches back from the edge of the stone, so you don't quite see it as much underneath. It'll look more like a floating bench seat with just the stone, and you will only see the bench, the support underneath, when you look at it at a low angle. So I'm going to put this foam in, and I'm just going to glue it in with the sealant. I have Cutty board. I couldn't get the 2-inch foam board from Laddercrete, so I'm going to use 2-inch foam board from Cutty, from Suda for this, and I'm going to glue it in with the sealant. It doesn't need any mechanical fasteners. I'm going to put some screws in it. That's just to hold it in place while the sealant dries. Once the sealant is dry, it'll support my weight. No problem at all. Obviously, the sealant has to dry and cure before that happens, but I'm putting that in today, and I'm going to flood test the floor. Okay, so the bench seat is in, and when the ceiling dries, that is going to be perfectly capable of supporting anyone that will sit on that. So they wanted it high, like I said, like 20 inches above the finished floor, and that's what I gave them. Now, I'm going to put this. So I got the water level marked over here on the wall. Got like 25 gallons of water in here. And let this this sit overnight till tomorrow morning, and we'll check the leaks.